this week's question is it better, or would you recommend other PTs to take more of a conservative approach or an aggressive approach with rehab regressions, post-ops, ankle sprains, low back pains? What would you say?
All right, so this is my opinion. I think whenever you're new and you're starting off and you don't have a lot of experience under your belt yet, it's better to err on the side of conservative. And then as you get more experience, you can dance in that gray zone a little bit better. You can get a little more aggressive with your manual treatments, your exercise progressions, your time zone healing progressions, and you can get a little bit more aggressive. You can kind of dance, like I said, pick and choose what you think is going to help get them back faster.
Yeah, I also think that's who you're around. So I would say I like being aggressive, but also being around other aggressive people, and not in just in the sense of like manual treatment. I am more aggressive on manual treatment, but I also think just with the approach, right? Do you push a week earlier? Do you push extension a little bit more? Do you push them like doing things a little bit more firm? That's completely up to you. But I think that it depends who your mentors are, and then your personality combined with your mentors and your experience.
And your client's personality.
For sure. So, and when you blend all those things, they kind of have to jive. But I would say I am more aggressive in my approach in general. But I also was around other mentors who were a little bit more aggressive, and clients and athletes and patients who wanted that aggressive treatment.
Yeah.
So if you work in a setting that people don't push the envelope a little bit more, and your personality is not as such, and your mentors don't, like, then that doesn't make sense. Would you agree?
Yes.
Yeah. So completely up to you. However, I will say depends on your personality, your mentors, your patients or athletes, and the setting and scenario. But I would agree. I think that if you go conservative early, you're going to make less mistakes.
Yes.
And then if you go aggressive later, you have a little bit of momentum, you have a little bit of skill set, you have a little bit of history to go off of. So I'd agree. I go conservative early and aggressive later. Or if your mentors and you are naturally more aggressive, play that fine line, but be careful. Don't quote me on that.
Make sure you get some guidance.
Yeah, make sure you get some guidance. Don't mess people up, because that's not right. I hope that helps.